DFS now has the ability to index about the z-axis when 2.5D milling. For example, if you have a rotary table lying flat on a vertical milling machine. This allows users to mill parts in stages by using the table that indexes around the z-axis, even though the part might exceed the travel of the machine in one particular direction. So to demonstrate that, I've got a part already programmed and ready to go with just regular 3-axis milling. And I have a machine simulation set up. And we'll see what this looks like. Okay, this just mills the part as though there's no rotary table whatsoever. And it's quite large, so we could run into some y-axis issues here, especially when it gets to the hole pattern, because that will take it out to the farthest extents of the part and really push our y travel. Okay, so we could have some problems there. So we'll take advantage of this rotary table and turn on indexing. So I'll go to my stock, I'll right click and edit the stock, change my multi-axis positioning to 4-axis milling, and change my axis alignment to the stock z-axis. Now the stock axis location is critical in this case because we're actually going to index around this z-axis, so you want to make sure it's positioned properly. That looks great, everything looks good here. I'll hit OK and run another machine sim. Okay, so what you saw there was the part was machined just using the z-axis of rotation and moving along our x-axis. So we have further control over this. Let's say, for example, we're going to cut this cross shape in 2 separate stages. Let's say, for example, if in this case cutting this vertical leg were to take our machine out of travel, so what we want to do is cut it separately. Let's just say it's a separate feature. So I'm going to turn off this feature and I'm going to go enable side 3 and show you where you have some control over this C angle that is used by the machine. So I'll right click, I'll go to edit attributes and set my C angle to 90 degrees. And what that will do is that will turn the part 90 degrees before it machines it.